Major Cedric Charles Dickens, 13th Battalion, the London Regiment, the Kensingtons. Born Tedworth Square, Chelsea, London, 8th March 1889. I wonder, out of all the places that you just randomly go to, I wonder if there's any kind of connection, you know, like in a, what would you say, not a spiritual connection, but a connection somehow of like, what am I trying to say, like a destiny thing, or like when paths are connected together, serendipitous, I think. And this could be one of those things. I don't know. Has it ever happened to you? I'm just off the beaten track. Why did I pick the particular junction? I don't know. I think maybe because I saw the fields. Why take a particular left, a particular right? I don't know. And then to find this monument, it would be strange if there was some connection. I don't think there's any connection to me that I know, but I'm just reading the story here. There's a cross. Oh, there's the cross, yeah, of course. Right, so she's put, with the help of the people of Ginchy, whose village has been completely destroyed, she bought the little piece of land and planted a memorial garden around a cross of English oak. Bench was placed next to it, where many a visitor will, I hope, sit and say a prayer for the English officer. Every year for the rest of her life, Mary Dickens visited Seddy's garden, which was kept in beautiful condition, with trees and flowering shrubs, until the outbreak of war in '39. So, Major Cedric Charles Dickens. There's the cross. Killed in action, Lewes Wood, 9th of September 1916. Seddy. And there's pieces of metal. This must be shrapnel. Wow, this will be shrapnel. Look. The farmers are probably finding these are shell cases. So I did eventually find something. Look at that. Wow. It's really, really good. Must be the garden. A hell of a lot of mice around here. Went about on the road. I need petrol. That was really nice and peaceful little moment. That, even though I don't know or I've not heard of this person, they still fought for us. Notes, I shall now go in search of fuel. I'll be right back.
Has anybody here seen my old friend Abraham? Can you tell me where he's gone? Oh, he freed a lot of people, but it seems the good die young. Yeah, I just looked around and he was gone. Has anybody here but it seems the good die young. Yeah, I just looked around and he was gone. Oh yeah. Has anybody here seen my old friend Martin? Can you tell me where he's gone? He freed a lot of people, but it seems the good die young. Yeah, I just looked around and he was gone. Has anybody here seen my friend Bobby? Can you tell me where he's gone? You know he freed a lot of people, but the good they die young. Yeah, I just